Before there was an America, before there was even a name for this land, there were the Amarukahns, the swarthy, copper-colored, dreadlocked temple builders who ruled the rivers, honored the sun, and wrote their wisdom in stone. They didn't come here, they were always here. This is the true story of the first Americans, the ones no one wants to talk about. Let's break it down simply. Amaru equals a powerful spirit being, a wise flying serpent from ancient Inca stories, like a dragon or cosmic snake. It also means serpent of wisdom. Ka equals land or spirit energy, like earth or life force. Khan or Khan equals ruler, sovereign, or leader, like a chief. So when you say Amarukahns, you're really saying sovereign builders and caretakers of the sacred land of wisdom. Did you know America used to mean land of the serpent? The name America comes from Amarukah, used by ancient South and Central American civilizations before any European ever showed up. Amaru was a rainbow-colored feathered serpent worshipped across Peru, Bolivia, and Mexico, also known as Quetzalcoatl in Aztec, Kukulkan in Maya, Amaru in Inca. These weren't evil snakes. They were symbols of intelligence, sun knowledge, and cosmic travel. Source: Codex Borgia, Codex Mendoza, Incan oral traditions, and Zechariah Sitchin's The Lost Realms. What did the Amarukahns look like? Copper-colored skin, swarthy complexions, dark brown, woolly or locked hair, tall, strong builds, featured on Mayan stelae, Olmec statues, Mississippian pottery, and even early European diaries. Historic testimonies and sources. James Adair in 1775 described southeastern tribes as dark-skinned with Hebrew customs. John Ogilvy's 1671 America map shows black nations across Florida and Mississippi. Thomas Jefferson's Notes on Virginia in 1785 mentions ancient mounds and aboriginal monuments by people who were not Indians as we know them. Smithsonian's 1800s reports mention Negroid skulls found in burial mounds. Barry Fell, America, BC, inscriptions in Libyan and Egyptian dialects found in the U.S. Dr. David Imhotep. The first Americans were Africans. Genetic and archaeological proof of early black presence. Ancient American Magazine. Dozens of issues showing swarthy features and artifacts from Illinois, Ohio, Georgia. What did the Amarukahns build? Pyramids made of mud and stone, found in Illinois at Cahokia, Georgia at Etowah, and Mississippi at Emerald Mound. Mound cities, aligned with stars and planets like in Egypt. Stone idols and serpent mounds, like the 300-foot-long serpent mound in Ohio. Underground complexes, like the Grand Canyon's hidden tombs. Sources: National Park Service maps, Ancient American Volume 4, Smithsonian Mound Reports. Why you never hear about the Amarukahns? The U.S. government and colonial scientists reclassified them as Negroes, freedmen, Moorish slaves. Native American tribes often exclude these swarthy families from rolls and treaties. The Bureau of Indian Affairs sealed many tribal records. Real example: the Dawes Rolls from 1898 to 1914 excluded dark-skinned tribal members by labeling them freedmen. Many of these people were never enslaved. They were simply aboriginal and looked like your uncle, your grandma, or you. What makes this episode different? We use only primary sources. No myths, no guessing. You can look up everything yourself. Dawes Rolls at National Archives, Library of Congress maps showing ancient cities, U.S. federal census labels shifting from Indian to Negro, Smithsonian reports pre-1920s Incan and Mesoamerican codices. The Amarukahns weren't just here, they were everything. They were the sun watchers, the pyramid builders, the people of the serpent wisdom. And they left their fingerprints on every river, every mound, and every memory the colonizers tried to erase. This is your birthright. This is your name. Not African, not Moor, not slave. You are Amarukahn, sovereign of the sacred land. And this is only the beginning.